Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Brian Newdorf, known to many of you as the NASCAR weatherman, getting you prepared for later on this afternoon and evening for the Bank of America 500 Sprint Cup race at Charlotte Motor Speedway. You may have already looked at a few weather forecasts, maybe looked at your phone or the National Weather Service, and you saw numbers like 50 and 60% chance of rain and thinking, how are they going to get this race in? I've got some good news for you. I'm cautiously optimistic. I think not only do we get to see the race tonight, but we get to see all 334 laps, give or take a green, white, checkered. But we should be okay, and here's why. Let me give you the latest on the weather scenario. This is the radar right around 1 o'clock or so this afternoon, and you can see we've got some areas of rain showers up to the north. We've got rain showers near North Wilkesboro, Boone, over towards Nashville, Chattanooga, very scattered. And what the big thing that we're looking at is we've got a cold front draped right about here. And the only thing that we're going to watch is we're going to have a couple of storm systems here make their way up along this storm system as this drops its way on off towards the south. So that's kind of what we're watching, but I can give you a better perspective. One of the things we like to look at is what we call short-term models or radars. So short-term forecast models, which are updated every hour, and they go out so far. So I'm going to put the one on here for you. This gives you maybe a better idea of what we are looking at. So I'm going to kind of make sure I get my model fill here. We'll put that on the screen. Okay, here we go. We're starting off at, that's right there is... that right there, I'm going to go back one. There we are. That's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You got Charlotte, you got Concord, the racetrack is in here. So I'm going to kind of put this forward a little bit for you. And then there's 3, 4. Okay, now we've got areas of showers. A few thunderstorms right around 4 o'clock this afternoon, making their way through 5, 6, 7. Now there we are, 7 o'clock, heading into 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So really, again, between 2 and 6 o'clock this evening, that's our best chance for some showers and thunderstorms. And then after that, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, the rain showers are out of here. We should be able to go, and I think we're very likely to go all the distance for the Bank of America 500. The only concern we have is maybe a delay to the start of the race, to how long it will take the Air Titans to dry the track after the rain showers that come through sometime this afternoon, again between 2, 4, 5, and 6 o'clock this evening. We'll keep you updated. I think we got this in, but I'll keep keeping an eye to the sky. I'll be keeping an eye on the radar as well. So keep it tuned in here, as well as SBNation.com. Follow me on Twitter at NASCAR_WXMAN, and also give me a like on Facebook, NASCAR WXMAN, also for the latest update. And we will keep you updated as we get closer and closer to race time.